What's going on, guys? Today I have Sid here, and Sid's going to be my model for the Zac Efron Down to Earth haircut, which is a series on Netflix, which is really awesome. And he's got a really interesting haircut. So I just want to kind of break down Sid's hair right now. Now Zac, I believe, parts it on this side, but I'm just going to do the same exact haircut parted on this side because Sid's hair tends to go over this way a bit more naturally. So just turn around this way. So we already have a good start in through here because I'm going to kind of fade this and taper this up into this area, work the top in, blend this all in through here, leave this a bit longer, and really just create like that kind of tapered shape that Zac has with a little bit of textured top in through here. So I'm going to do the haircut, follow along, and then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so the Zac Efron haircut is now complete, and I'm going to break down what I did. So I used a number 1 guard in through here, 1.5 guard, 2, 2.5, and a 3 guard right in through here, and then I did a lot of it by hand. I connected and blended the shape all the way throughout the back, as you can see here, nice and tapered, worked this up in through here. Now, in the series, I noticed that he has a haircut where it looks like a really harsh kind of weight line right in through here. I didn't want to have Sid walking around looking like that. In the beginning, though, in the trailer and some of the photos, Zac did have his hair kind of blended in just like this. I want to kind of recreate that look. And then I worked everything in by hand, going from shorter to longer. Then throughout the back here, tilt that down a little bit, throughout the back here, I made sure I connected the shape working towards the front, going from probably 1.5 inches in length here all the way to the front is probably about 3 inches or so. Nothing really longer than that, because in the series, sometimes he has it kind of coming down like this. He's got it a little more textured. And Sid has a little bit of a natural, whoa, Siri, has a natural kind of wave to his hair, which kind of works out really nice. And then I used a little bit of Tidal Wave, my sea salt spray, to blow dry it in to get a little bit of grit and texture and some volume. And then I used a new clay that I'm working on and having made for me that won't be ready for like another month or so, but I use that to style it. It starts off like a cream and then completely transforms into this like super matte, pliable, firm holding product, which is incredible. So here we have the finished result. All right, everyone, I'm going to link Sid's Instagram page in the description below. He's really into soccer, he's really into some cool stuff, so definitely follow him and stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.